Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put vacation date on my calendar in Outlook. The first thing I want you to do is just open up your Outlook app. You can do this online or on your desktop, and then you come here, you click on the calendar view here at the bottom left. Okay, click on this view. Then what you do from here, okay, you just come to the top. You'll see new appointment. Click on this, click on new appointment. And what I want you to do is first come here and click on this drop down where it says busy. You choose out of office, okay? And then I'll go ahead and set a title. And this title, I'll do an example. Let's say vacation. Okay, we'll just type that in. We'll type in out of office. And what I'll do, you select the date. So I'll choose this date, okay? Tuesday the 18th of November. And then I'll toggle on all day. So there we go. That is a vacation date. And then you just come here, click on save and close, and it will show up right here, vacation out of office. Okay, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.